What's going on, everyone? And today we are in the brand new summer update, and every week there's a new update. So we're in the middle of this one. There's 1 minute left, guys. Oh yeah, Jandel put in chat he will be releasing Sugar Apple in the Sugar Apple. Yes, Sugar Apple, guys. Oh my god, Sugar Apple. We are with Mike VR and Darth Vader here, and this update has been crazy. Like, my voice is going a little bit because for some reason, and like that's why it's like this. So where I'm going to put my Jandel liked your garden. What the heck? Jandel just liked my garden. Bro, Jandel just liked my garden. Bro, Jandel just liked all of these people's gardens. No way. Thank you, Jandel. This is my favourite game of all time. What's this? I can hear Rainbow. Here goes. Oh, guys, 20 seconds until the update comes. Whoa, can't wait for this. Guys, just 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes! Oh, what's new in shop? Oh, whoa, what is this? That is so cool. Now your items don't get rearranged. Guys, my voice is... Whoa! Harvest shop. That's new. Show me the harvest. Oh, whoa! This is sick. Hamster. Whoa. You get summer coins completing the summer harvests. We need to complete it, guys, quick. Luckily, I have some of these. Guys, I really want these, what they called, summer packs. New seed, pitcher plant. Whoa. Wait, let's see. Is it in stock? If it's not in stock, I'm actually going to be shocked. Oh, whoa. Pitcher plant. That is sick. Guys, I'm actually quite shocked. This update is like really cool. We have a harvest. We have a summer harvest shop. Take all my summer fruits. Boom. Right, guys, we need to get more because I need some. Ooh, bee egg to the pet shop. Oh, lucky harvest. Guys, this game is actually like... Oh, to the pet shop. I need a bee egg. Wait, what? Where's it gone? We added bee eggs to the shop. There's a new magnifying glass which tells you the plant's values. Ooh. Voice crack. Wait, let's see it. Guys, this update is actually crazy, bro. Where is it? Ooh, what is this seed stock? L stock. I will fix that. Oh, bell pepper. I already have bell. Oh, sugar apple. Oh my god. Bro, I'm literally freaking out so much. Guys, I am broke now. I only have like 13 mil. Guys, I have like 4 sugar apples now. Come on, we need to get more fruits. Come on. Guys, this update is actually crazy. I missed the last update, and now I'm getting this one in. So hopefully. Thanks everyone for supporting the new update. Come on. No, I don't want... No. Go away. No one wants to hear you talk. The next we Prizokic. I don't know how to say that. Guys, what are these summer token things? Shoot, we need more. Come on, guys. Get the bell peppers. This update is actually crazy. I'm thinking of adding, admin abuse. What in the world is that? Ooh, alien-like. That's sick. Add more, add more. Come on, Jandel, add it in, please. Whoa. Oh, guys, we're under the sea. Under the sea. Oh my god, my fat stubby fingers keep getting in the way. Guys, my voice crack is actually crazy. I hate it. Come on, Georgina. Take all my summer fruits. Yes, we need more. We need more. Disco. Fried and all that. Get that. Oh yeah, I forgot we were underwater. How am I supposed to get in my garden now? I guess we just swim through the garden. Whoa. That's cool. Give me that. Avocados. Let's just put... Oh, there's also 2 new weather events this week. That's sick. Explain. Take my summer fruits. Come on, uncommon. Uncommon. Yes. Now, I should get some good summer fruit thingies. Wait, but you will just have to wait for those. Guys, I actually can't talk. Where's that? Oh, we were just under the sea. Come on, give me some good things. 4 minutes. Still uncommon. Oh my lord. Guys, I'm actually freaking out because this update is crazy. We got a summer harvest event thingy, my bobby. And yeah. Just collect all of them. How long will we go for? 7 minutes. Right, guys, I'm going to end it here. I know this was a short video, but I haven't got that much storage left. And as always, Brody out.